Good morning, students. Today we will learn about Macromedia Flash. As I already shared this software in the Google Classroom, you can download it, and their register key also there. You can use that one. Okay. So let us see what is Macromedia Flash 8. Macromedia Flash, it is a program that creates interactive and animated media such as the motion graphics, videos, presentations, and the websites. We can control an object's actions and behaviors using the behavior panel and the timeline. Okay, so this type of animated graphics you can create using this Flash 8. Okay, this is the window of this Macromedia Flash Professional 8. Okay, here you can see this is the toolbox, this is the menu bar, and this particular thing is called as timeline. Timeline, it uses it organizes the contents of animation, means whatever you will draw in the stage, how it will appear on the stage and how it will go, how much time it will stay on the stage, how the animation will be created, at what time. So this all things managed by this timeline. Okay, and these are the properties window. So whatever you will do, suppose you will draw a circle, so related to this tool, the properties it will show you. And there is the color box and this all the things. Okay, now I will tell you that what type of animation we are going to do in this tutorial. Okay, so let us see. The first one is frame by frame animation. It changes the contents of the stage in every frame. Okay, so if you want that some images are there and you want to that create some effect, that it is walking effect or running effect like that, so in each frame you have to change something, some contents you have to change it, then it will create an animation. That is called as frame by frame animation, and it is the simplest form, means it is the very easy to do it. I will tell you the practically this thing. Okay, so let me open Flash software. Okay, so this is my Flash software. Here you can see this is the timeline, this is the toolbox. Okay, so this is the frame, these are the frames. Okay, so in the first frame, suppose I am creating here one circle like this. Now if you want to create another thing in the another frame, so you have to press this F6. F6 is the shortcut key for the keyframe. Keyframe is that point where some changes are taking place. Okay, means suppose I have pressed here F6, so now I am doing the second circle at the other end like this. Again I am pressing F6 button, it will insert the keyframe in the third frame. Okay, then I will suppose I am drawing the rectangle in the center like this. Now again I am pressing F6 button on the keyboard and I am doing again making this one circle here. Again I am pressing F6, then I am drawing circle at the other end like this. Okay, even you can change the color from this option, there is a fill color like that. Now I am changing here, again clicking on that, pressing F6 button, then each time you have to press F6 button. So in each frame there are some different things. Okay, now when you want to play the animation, there is a shortcut key, Control plus Enter. What is the shortcut key? You have to press Control plus Enter. For what? To play a movie. And to insert keyframe, you have to press F6 button. F6. Okay, function key it is F6 at the top. There are total 12 function keys you can see, and search the F6 button. Okay, now let us play the movie. Control plus Enter I am pressing. Now you can see the beautiful animation. So it is called as frame by frame animation, where you will change the contents of animation in each frame. I hope you understood. You have to do practical. Okay, so let me close this file and come to my presentation again. So after the frame by frame animation, we have the twinned animation. What the twinned animation means? Now you will not create contents in each frame. Now there is a difference between the first frame, 40th frame, like 60th frame, 80th frame. So in between frames automatically filled by this option. Okay, so the first, there are actually two type of twinned animation. One is the shape twin and the second one is the motion twin. The first was shape twin. In shape twinning, you draw a vector shape at one specific frame in the timeline and change that shape or draw another shape at another specific frame, and then we animate the intermediate shapes for the frames in between. It creates the animation of one shape morphing into the another. Okay, so let me explain this beautifully using this practical. The next practical, again I am opening this Macromedia Flash software. I am creating the new project. Okay, I have to create the Flash document. Now I am going to explain the shape twinning. Okay, so in the first frame, now I will draw one circle and I will choose some color. You can choose one simple red color like that, or you can also choose multiple colors just like this one, this way. Okay, so let me create this way one shape. Now I will not create the keyframe in the second frame. No, I will take some distance, say 30. So let me create on the 30th frame like this, and after that this blue line will come. Okay, then you have to press F6 button. This is very important because keyframe we press. Why? Because we want some animation. So you have to press F6 button. Here the changes will be there. Just press F6, then this line will come and automatically this line will also come. Now here what you have to do, you have to select this arrow key. आपको ये एरो की को सेलेक्ट करना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू जस्ट सेलेक्ट दिस वे. ओके, एंड डिलीट दिस सर्कल लाइक दिस. You can delete from the keyboard. There is a delete button on the keyboard. You press that one, and then after you change, you draw some another shape, say rectangle at the other end like this. Okay, and after that what you have to do, you have to click anywhere in between. आपको यहाँ पे कहीं पर भी क्लिक करना है, इस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पर कहीं पर भी आप क्लिक कर दो. क्लिक लाइक दैट. नाउ यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट दिस ट्विन एंड हियर you have to select the shape twinning. Okay, there is an option called shape twinning. Now what you have to do, you can see automatically this animated. See here the in between changes it is coming. So this shape twinning creates the morphing effect. Now you can see the circle changes to the rectangle. So this is the morphing effect that is called as shape twinning. Okay. You can also continue this animation to other shape. Suppose this rectangle you want to change some other thing. Okay. Let's say polygon, stars, like that. So again I will go to the 60th frame. After clicking on this 60th frame, you have to press the F6 button, F6 key, like this. Now again select this arrow key and select this particular box, delete it. After deleting it, let us draw some other shape. When I click some more time here, some time for this rectangle tool, I will get this option, Polystar tool. And then there is an option, and here you have to select the polygon. In place of polygon, you have to select star, and how many sides you want that you have to select. Suppose I want 12. Maximum 32 sides you can take it. Okay. So let me click on OK, and I am drawing the star now. Now you have to do in between anywhere, यहाँ पे कहीं पर भी आप click कर दो. Then after again you have to select the shape twinning. Now you can see the whole effect. Control plus enter. So circle to rectangle, rectangle to star. So this is called as shape twinning animation. Okay. So you have to do practice nicely. Okay, fine. So after this, the next type of animation that is called as motion twin. Motion twin is a type of animation that uses symbols to create the movement, size and rotation changes, fades and color effects. Okay. So let me give you one example of motion twin also, that what we will do in this, we will bounce a ball. हम एक बॉल को बाउंस करेंगे. ठीक है, देखते हैं कैसे. So again let me open the Flash software I am going to clicking on the file menu, clicking on the new button, then flash document. Now I am selecting this ball. Let me give some beautiful colors like that green one, green gradient, mixing colors. I am drawing like this, okay? Now what you have to, again motion twin, let me click on 25 frame and then I have to press F6 button, okay? Then after what I have to do, I don't have to delete it. मुझे सिंपल इस बॉल को नीचे बाउंस कराना है, तो मैं उसको नेक्स्ट पोजीशन दे दूंगा लाइक दैट, ओके? एंड देन आफ्टर व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, अगेन यू हैव टू क्लिक एनीवेयर, कहीं पर भी इस पर्टिकुलर डिफरेंस पे यहाँ पे कहीं पर भी क्लिक कर दो, एंड देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन मोशन ट्विन, ओके? एंड वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, in the motion twin you can see whenever I've created this option motion twin, there is the dotted line, and whenever the dotted line came means you have done something mistake and the animation will not be played, okay? So here what I have forgotten, whenever you want to do the motion twinning, जब भी कभी भी आपको मोशन ट्विनिंग करनी है तो सबसे पहले बॉल बनाने के बाद आपको इस पर्टिकुलर चीज को कन्वर्ट करना है सिंबल्स पे, okay? How? Let me again explain you. I am creating again new file because I have just done a small mistake here. So let me create one ball like that, same thing it is. Now just after creating the ball, you have to select this ball by using this arrow key like that we have selected. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the modify and there is an option called convert to symbol. You can also press F8 key as the shortcut. एंड देन यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट दिस ग्राफिक सिंबल, आपको यहाँ पे ग्राफिक पे टिक करके ओके करना है. सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू द मोशन ग्राफिक. नाउ इट विल नॉट क्रिएट अ डॉटेड लाइन. अब जो पहले डॉटेड लाइन बनी थी ना, अब वो डॉटेड लाइन नहीं बनेगी. देखते हैं. क्लिक ऑन 30th फ्रेम, यहाँ पे ब्लू लाइन आ गई. अब आप F6 दबाओ, यू हैव टू प्रेस द F6 की लाइक दैट, ओके? एंड देन यू हैव टू मूव दिस बॉल लाइक दैट. Now anywhere in between this, click here this time frame and just select the motion twin. तो अब देखोगे यहाँ पे लाइन आपको स्मूथ मिल गई. स्मूथ मिल गई मतलब आपका जो भी प्रोसेस है आपने सही किया है. कहीं पर भी अगर डॉटेड लाइन आ गई यहाँ पे तो मतलब एनिमेशन आपका प्ले नहीं होगा. देन अगेन आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन द 50th फ्रेम, आई एम प्रेसिंग द F6 बटन एंड आई एम मूविंग द बॉल एट द टॉप, ओके? अगेन in between I am clicking anywhere and then selecting motion twin. This is also working smooth. Again go to the 70 any frame, just press F6. फ्रेम में क्लिक करने के बाद F6 जरूर दबाना. जब की फ्रेम होगा then after you have to move the ball like that, and after that you have to click here and then select the motion, okay? So let's see how this motion twinning is happening. See, so this is called as the bouncing effect, okay? Bouncing ball. So this is an example of motion twin. I hope everyone is understanding, and it will be more clear when you will do practicals. If any doubt it is coming, then you can ask me at any time in the WhatsApp group. Fine? Okay. So let me close this one. Now some important things I am going to tell you. Sometimes what happens whenever you open this Flash software, maybe this action button is on, so your whole screen will be like that. You cannot see the stage and you cannot work on it. So what you have to do, simply before the action one small button is there, you have to click here, then it will again come. So this is called as stage. Again you will get the stage, and this is the properties window, and this is the timeline. All these things we can easily switch on and off by using this window menu. हो सकता है आपका टूल्स नहीं है ना, तो ये टूल्स को देखो मेरा ऑफ हो गया. अब यहाँ पे मेरे पास टूल्स नहीं है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू गो टू द विंडो, देन अगेन क्लिक ऑन द टूल्स, तो आपका टूल्स फिर से आ जाएगा. एंड सिमिलरली दिस प्रॉपर्टीज आल्सो, समटाइम्स मे बी दिस ट्विन एनिमेशन यू विल नॉट गेट, सो यू हैव टू गो टू द विंडो ऑप्शन, देन टूल दिस प्रॉपर्टीज एंड दिस प्रॉपर्टीज. हो सकता है ये आपका ऑफ हो, तो ये आपको ऑफ मिलेगा. Again go to the window, then properties, then this properties. Again it will come. Similarly maybe this timeline आपका off हो सकता है, तो ये आपके ऑप्शन टाइमलाइन है, देखो यहाँ पे आपको टाइमलाइन ही नहीं मिला, तो हाउ यू विल ऑर्गेनाइज द कंटेंट्स, राइट? सो अगेन यू हैव टू गो टू द विंडो एंड दिस टाइमलाइन। तो अगर आपको कोई ऑप्शन नहीं मिलता है तो आप विंडो से उस ऑप्शंस को ला सकते हो, ओके? सो दिस इज द वन थिंग. The second thing, maybe your twinning animation options will not come, or motion twin. So motion twin, if dotted line will come, so you have to convert first. कभी भी आपको जब मोशन ट्विन करना है तो सबसे पहले आप बॉल बना के उस बॉल को सेलेक्ट करना है. Just 1 minute. Let me click on any frame. Let me create one tool like this. You have to select this whole ball, and then after what you have to modify and this convert to symbol. आपको मोशन अगर करना है मोशन ट्विन तो आप पर्टिकुलर सिंबल को ग्राफिक में जरूर कन्वर्ट करना. आफ्टर दैट इट विल वर्क प्रॉपरली, okay? Because earlier I have done, that's why it is dotted coming, otherwise it will not come, okay? So do all these practicals, and if any doubt then you can ask me, okay? Thank you.